Good morning, students. We are now going to continue with our chapter Discovering Tut. The saga continues. Now, we have already discussed how Tut's body was put in 3 gilded coffins. Howard Carter, he had tried to investigate it. He was the first one who had found the tomb of King Tut. The tourists who visited the places, and then Zai Hawass, who wanted to take Tut's body for a CT scan. So, now we are going to continue with that. After many months of carefully reading the pharaoh's funerary treasures, Carter started investigating the 3 nested coffins. As I had told you, there were 3 coffins. The first coffin was a shroud which was adorned with garlands of willow, olive leaves, wild citri, lotus petals, cornflowers. All this were on the first coffin. उसके सबसे ऊपर वाले कॉफिन में ये सारी चीज़ें मिली थी. उसके बाद finally he reached the mummy. And he had a lot of trouble. Why? Because the resins, वो और जो मम्मी के ऊपर वो जो गोल्ड प्लेटेड था, both had stuck. दोनों चिपक गए थे. कोई फोर्स उनको अलग नहीं कर पा रही थी. So he thought कि what should be done? क्या होना चाहिए? कैसे करे वो उसको अलग? So after that he thought कि maybe जो sun है that could maybe, because in Egypt the heat of the sun is more, so he thought that may melt the gold और शायद उससे resins और gold दोनों अलग हो जाएंगे. तो उसने बहुत घंटों तक he got that mummy put in the blazing sunshine. He heated it till 149 degrees Fahrenheit, but he could not do. He used the chisel, hammer और chisel जो होता है वो भी उसने use किया to cut down, but it was of no use. He could not remove the resins from the gold coffin, and maybe a lot of damage also was done to the mummy. Now Carter did not have any choice. He couldn't cut the mummy, and he knew that if he left the mummy this way, the thieves may come and they may take away the gold after attacking the guards. तो अब उसके कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. अब जो Tuts थे, they were from a very wealthy family, and these pharaohs, ये लोग सारे ही mostly they were very wealthy. So you know what they thought कि there was life after death. उनका ये कहना था कि life after death भी होती है. इसीलिए वो है ना उसको क्या करना चाहते थे कि they used to take all their things with them. सारी चीज़ें उसके cremation के time everything was put with them. Their precious collars, their necklaces, their bracelets, their rings, amulets, then even their what to say mask, and everything was of pure gold or diamonds, everything was there. इसीलिए उसकी वो बहुत ही wealthy थी. And along with his undergarments, with his games and many other things what he may need after his afterlife. Now, when the diagnostic was done and the CT scan was done, it was found out that there were something missing. But before the CT scan could be done, सबसे biggest question फिर भी linger कर रहा था कि how did he die? वो कैसे मरा, उसकी डेथ क्यों हुई? What was the reason behind his death? Because he was only the last family line of his dynasty. Now they had two reasons. वो लोग ये सोच रहे थे कि शायद दो reasons है. Either he died because he was murdered, or maybe he died because of a curse. Now what was the reason of the curse? His grandfather Amenhotep III, he was a very powerful ruler. He was a very powerful ruler. So they thought that who ruled for 4 decades, उनके वहाँ 4 decades के लिए उसने रूल किया था. And he was most powerful ruler, और उसकी एज सबसे गोल्डन एज कहलाती है of that dynasty. After that Amenhotep IV came. That person was a little wacky, थोड़ा सा क्रेजी था, पागल सा था. You cannot call him mad, पर थोड़ा सा wacky था, crazy type person. What did he do? उसने क्या किया? उसने first of all अपना जो उनका कैपिटल था, ओल्ड सिटी ऑफ थेबिसिस, वहाँ से उसने शिफ्ट करके न्यू सिटी और ऑफ एकनहैटन बनाई, विच वॉज नोन एज अमारना. वो बनाई, वो नया कैपिटल हुआ. फिर उसने अपना नाम बदल दिया एमेनहॉटप से एकनहैटन. एकनहैटन का मतलब होता है सर्वेंट ऑफ एटन गॉड. देन their main god, the major god was Amun. He destroyed all the statues. उसकी सारी मूर्तियाँ तोड़ दी, उनके सारे temples उसने destroy कर दिए, तोड़ दिए. And he started again worshipping Aten god, which is the sun god. After that he did not rule for much, and after him his successor also did not rule for many years. Then Tutankamen came to the throne. So when Tutankhaten came to the throne, what did he do? He again restored. उसने फिर से रिस्टोर किया, means again he went back to the old city of Thebes and made that his capital. He again restored his major god Amun's temples and started worshipping major god Amun, which Akhenaten had not done. And he also named his name. He changed his name. उसने अपना नाम भी चेंज कर दिया. Tutankhaten से he made it Tutankhamun. So that is why people say कि शायद ये कर्स के कारण he did not live long and he died at a very young age. जब वो he ruled only for 9 years and then mysteriously he died. So now there were many people who kept on finding out कि what can be the mystery behind his death. उसकी डेथ के पीछे क्या मिस्ट्री थी, वो सब बहुत कोशिश की फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. एक पोर्टेबल सीटी स्कैन मशीन लाई गई, दैट वाज ब्रॉट देयर, एंड देन द मम्मी वाज पुट इनटू इट, एंड इट वाज द फर्स्ट मम्मी, सबसे पहली मम्मी थी जो सीटी स्कैनर के अंदर गई, जिसमें बोथ डेथ और लाइफ में पहली जो मम्मी थी, इट वॉज टुटनखामुन's मम्मी. First of all, what happened when the mummy went inside it, there was something wrong. So yes, they could record that's head, they scanned it, then his entire body and many other things, they did it. But yet they could not find anything about it. Then, as the CT scan was going on, the CT scanner collapsed. They thought that they must have lost some of the photos that they had clicked or taken out in the CT scanner, maybe the phosphenic, whatever they had done analysis. So, they had to get another substitute scanner there, and then they started, and all the people were, because the cooler fan had gone off, it had been destroyed, then a new one had to be brought, and all the people, they were laughing and even joking, the guards, okay, the curse of the pharaoh, because he was lying peacefully in his tomb and has been taken out, that is why this CT scanner has been destroyed. And so they were doing all these things. After that, yet they could not find the real reason or the real mystery behind his death, and his scanning went on for long and long and long. Now, after all these images were taken out, then Zai Hawass, he went and took rest in his chair, and he said that he had not slept the whole night last night when the scanning was going on, not even for a second, because he was worried what is going to happen, what will be the result, all those. But today he could go and sleep, and he said the god Oceans is the one who is guarding Tut's tomb. Now, it is believed that god Oceans is the god after life. So, he said that he is guarding. So, you have seen in this lesson, discovering Tut, that though they used all the way, but they could not find the mystery behind Tut's untimely death.